Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the path to light. You are on the right path. Something lit up to you. You have a new idea. You have a new place that's actually taking you from this one stage to the next stage. A gift, a talent, a potential, or a thought, an intuition, a creation, whatever you're doing, whatever your gift is, whatever you have to true power that you're so naturally talented in doing. Universe has showed you something. I want you to not doubt yourself. I want you to go full-fledged and do it, because you're going to be successful and you'll be thankful that you made this step down this path of light. I make a conscious choice to move towards the light one step at a time. I transform my weaknesses into strengths by mastering my thoughts. I overcome obstacles with positivity and acceptance. I develop my gifts and extend my light to every being unconditionally. Guys, love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.